G'day everybody, this is Kiwi Customs and Collections, and today I'm going to be doing a couple of unboxings from the month of May of stuff I have purchased. So I've got this box and a pretty big box here. So the first thing I'm going to do is move this one aside and start doing this smaller one first. Okay, as always, I've always cut the boxes open to sort of speed things up a bit. So first thing we'll do is open up here and see what we've got. Oh yeah, excellent. This isn't what I purchased, but the where I brought a few items. This gentleman also the vest. This gentleman has given me Scarlet. Yeah, with looks like a helmet. Must have came with some other figure. There's a vest. There's definitely her like crossbow, backpack, and sword. Yeah, so that was actually given to me, and he said basically for your daughter. So I'll literally have to choose which daughter will have it. Put her aside. Yes. Now I've swapped out a Scarlet torso for Muskrat. This is really good condition by the looks of it. This is a new O-ring. That's not a problem for me. That's pretty easy. Yes, Agent Helix. Now, I'm not a fan of the modern style G.I. Joes, but I have seen somewhere online that someone has done a all-American hero, all-American hero version of her, using just her head and her belt. So I'm going to attempt doing the same as well. Now, what I have brought are these two items here. So this is the frac cannon, and as you can see, let's get this box out of the way. And as you can see, the front part of the cannon is actually missing. So I'm going to look at, and also the seat is missing too. So I'm going to look at sort of constructing a new barrel and putting a new seat in as well. That would be pretty exciting to do. I already own one, so that'd be quite a cool project to do. I don't mind that. I quite like getting things that I need to look at repairing. And this, the Coastal Defender. For what I can see and I know of, okay, it's got a satellite dish, but the thing that's most common with these things is this part here for the ramp has snapped off, and I want to look at doing something with that. I think it must be a pretty easy fix with basically paper clip, bend over a couple of them, or maybe staples. But wherever I do, I'll look at doing a video for that, and I'll track down a seat for that and all this. So yeah, that'd be quite cool to do. And now for this one, this big box. Okay, so this is what we've got here. Wow, the packaging is really good. More stuff in the fire. pull this out. Let's take this out from here. I'll look for that later to make sure nothing's missing. And from what you guys can see, it is the Cobra Liquidator, if I remember correctly. Go for the bubbles. Yeah, so this is the Cobra Liquidator. Still with the missiles, probably just missing 2 here. I'll check that box again, there might be in there. Landing wheel still works alright. That's pretty mint condition. So this has had a gimmick in it, and basically pulled it out, filled it out with water, and it's a squirt gun. It squirts water from out here. So that's going to be pretty mint. I'll see if I can actually get some more missiles in my missile box. But yeah, it's a really cool vehicle. I actually got the Storm Eagle, which is a G.I. Joe version of this. Well, not a version of this. Completely different aircraft, but both of them squirt water. Anyway, so that is the unboxing of May. I will catch you guys later. I've got another video I'm going to be uploading very shortly, which is going to be a good one, I hope. So with that, yo Joe. Just come back, went for that box, and believe it or not, I actually found the blueprints in there, which is pretty mean. Alright, once again, sorry people, this time it's fully yo Joe.